This another hotel here nearby our employer house. It's called Harbourfront Hotel. Yan. This is the Harbourfront Hotel. Six minutes to go. 30 minutes lang. Dito na ako sa baba ng bahay. Kaya mo, mag-end ako ng live. Asa ka pa ingon, Miss Joyce? Pauli na ko, Ma'am Jibilin. Isugo ko sa amo, nag-live ko, kadiyot. Pauli na ko. Nag-live ko. While gisugo sa kong amo, naglakaw-lakaw ko, exercise ba gamay ba? Exercise gamay. Ito basa ba eh. Basa. Wala na viewers. Wala na nananaw. Ayan oh. Woo! Kuan kauwanon nagdagom. The sky is dark. I think it's going to rain. It's going to rain. It's better I go home now because I don't have umbrella. Thank you so much, Sir Dilsod. Ma'am Jubilin, salamat. 3 minutes to go, guys. Ito yung building namin, oh. Dito. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, building. Building ng amo ko. Dito. Ayan. Big up, shout out, Ma'am Philly. Salamat sa thumbs up, Ma'am Philly. Good evening. Oh, may ano. Ayan, may speedboat. Speedboat. May dumating na speedboat. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Philly. Tintin Vlog Support. Gandang gabi ho. Magandang gabi si Tintin. Ayan, wait ha. Ayan, may damit na yan. Ayan, thank you so much sa 15 thumbs up dyan, mga guys. Thank you so much. And 2 minutes to go. Yan, thank you so much. Big love shout out Ate Feli, sabi ni Sisi Tintin. And Sisi Melody, thank you so much for staying. Ayan, 6 lovely people in the house. Thank you so much. Ayan, ito yung building namin. Nasa baba na ako ng building namin. Ayan. Kaya mag-stop na tayo mamaya.